And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Magicstand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This one is silver. Inside of this box is like the little hologram there. Here is the silver. Ooh, this one's got glitter on it. Look at that. So this is the Clearlock Magicstand glitter case. Hopefully you can see in my camera here that there's glitter on the sides, on the back. Of course it's, it's like on there, it's not coming off, but this is the Clearlock glitter iPhone 15 Pro Max Magicstand case. Cut out for your volume rockers, cut out for your power button, little Magicstand logo there, Casekoo logo there, cut out for your charger and speakers, cut out for your camera, and then of course the Magicstand. So you can fold this out, set your phone like this, or like this. You use it to hold your phone. Of course, just push it out of the way when you don't need it. But this is the glitter Magicstand Clearlock iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Then you also have a little pamphlet telling you about Magicstand, as well as some pretty cool Casekoo stickers. Thanks again to Casekoo, who was nice enough to send me this glitter Magicstand Clearlock Casekoo iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.